Hello everyone! Today, I'd like to talk about my favorite season of the year. My favorite season is summer.
In Phan Rang, summer is usually from May to August. In summer, the weather is often very hot and sunny, but I like it.
The sky is always bright blue. I like summer a lot because it means school holidays. I don't have to go to school, so I have lots of free time. I can go swimming at the beach almost every day with my family, and I also love eating.
Ice cream and fresh fruit like watermelon. Summer makes me feel very happy, energetic, and relaxed. It's the perfect time for outdoor activities and travel.
So, for me, summer is the best season because it brings a lot of fun, sunshine, and free time.
Hi everyone! My favorite season of the year is winter. In winter, the weather is usually cold and sometimes rainy here. The sky is often cloudy. I like winter a lot because it's a cozy time. I can stay at home, read books, and drink hot tea. Sometimes I watch movies with my family. Winter makes me feel very relaxed and peaceful. It's the perfect time for staying warm inside.
So winter is the best season because I can enjoy quiet time with my family and feel comfortable.